I drive past Cold Island almost every day. You can see it from the 6 Mile Bridge, and it's always been interesting and curious to me. So one morning I grabbed the gear and decided to go check it out and take some footage. I'm not a historian or anything, just a local Vancouver Island guy that has always found this a little bit interesting. And the old brick munitions buildings look absolutely beautiful here, especially with the morning sun reflecting off them and the Olympic Mountains in the background. And on the backside, the side you can't see from land, there's what looks like a modern building, modern dock, even solar panels. So it's maintained. I believe the public is welcome to come. Might have to check it out sometime. That most of us did not know that this was on the backside of Coal Island. Thanks for watching. More interesting places around Vancouver Island coming soon.